Congratulations,
Thank you
Raj,
so
for
much.
Canada visa.
Thank you.
Raj, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Raj Shah and I am from Ahmedabad. I have done my bachelor's in physiotherapy here and I have chosen Canada for my higher education, and specifically my college is Conestoga and my course is fitness and health promotion.
Okay. So Raj, before selecting Canada, what have you decided about the other countries?
Actually, I have searched a lot about each and every country and the scope of my field especially. And after getting everything done, I have chosen Canada because Canada is the only country which gives the best scope in physiotherapy field.
Great. So Raj, how do you feel after witnessing such a drastic rejection in Canada, and you got your visa within just 18 days?
I feel very awesome and wonderful because getting visas in 18 days is like, it's never been, I haven't seen this type of early visa before, and in 18 days getting visa is really good, so it was very good experience for me.
Okay, and where the Flywing Overseas contribute in your success journey?
Definitely, Flywing Overseas has given me a lot of support during my whole process, and being this much supportive, I am very thankful to Flywing Overseas, and also to Milap sir, who has given such a great support throughout the process. And thank you so much for the opportunity you have given, and this success is only because of Flywing Overseas.
Okay. And Raj, my last question is that would you recommend Flywing Overseas?
Definitely, I would recommend I have already recommended Flywing Overseas to so many of my friends who are already trying for going to foreign countries,
Okay.
and they are already maybe in contact with you guys. So I will be definitely doing this in future also.
Okay, thank you so much for your feedback and all the best
Thank
for your journey.
Thank you so much.